10G has provided various advisors through which you can make decisions immediately. Let's understand the different Oracle advisors. Some of the different advisors in Oracle are segment advisor, undo advisor, SQL tuning advisor, memory advisor, and SQL access advisor. The advisor takes the information which is stored in the automatic workload repository and makes the decision, and the decision it makes are more than perfect, because it makes a decision taking the information from the automatic workload repository, and through that it is able to give you various recommendations. Now these recommendations would be either be stored in certain tables, are stored in tables, and it can also be seen through Oracle Enterprise Manager. So let's first understand the various advisors in Oracle. I told you before, the various advisors are the segment advisor. Now this particular advisor will look into your table space and give you advice which schema or which tables needs reorganization, where the table size has to be changed or it's facing certain errors. It will show you the problems with that particular segments and also give you recommendations. Then we got undo advisor. Undo advisor will give you help you make decision about undo management table space. It will help you make setting for undo retention so that you won't face the snapshot to old error. Then we got SQL tuning advisor, which will look into your SQL statement and give you advisors of how you can improve your performance of your database. Then we got memory advisor. Memory advisor is like, it will give you the memory advisor will tell you like what your PGA memory should be, what your SGA target memory should be, and all those. While the next important one we got is called the SQL access advisor. The SQL access advisor will look into your SQL statement and give you advisors like whether you need indexes, how to create a materialized view, the commands to create materialized views, and all. Let's do one thing. Let's start looking all these advisors in an Oracle Enterprise Manager. To do that, we log into Oracle Enterprise Manager, and now what we do is we will just try to see the various advisors in the Oracle Enterprise Manager. Click on maintenance. Here, accomplished. All of these are accomplished by Oracle internally using a package procedure. This particular package procedure is called dbms underscore advisor. Now dbms underscore advisor, the various advisors which are manually were segment advisor plus, undo management advisor, memory advisor, SQL access advisor, or SQL when you are using OEM, the Oracle Enterprise Manager, internally whenever you do any changes, dbms underscore advisory is being used. dbms underscore advisory package is used by all the advisors. It's used by ADDM, automatic database diagnostic memory, the SQL tuning advisor, the undo management advisor, all the other advisors are using this. And here we see here package procedure. Let's see this in action now. There is already a recommendation given to the Oracle database. This recommendation is easily possible because of the data in the automatic workload repository, and this data goes there because the snapshots are fired every 1 hour, through which the snapshot statistics information of the database is always stored into the workload repository, and from that the recommendation is made. Now you see here, this is some segment advisory recommendation, and we see here there are two recommendations. What we do is we just let's see these recommendations advisor, and here we just use the default option. SQL access advisor will give you advices on, and it will show you the various recommendations, and where it will materialize views. So here we select current and recent SQL activity, and then it will say the recommendation type. So we need both the indexes and materialized views to be recommended. Okay, sorry, you need to click in here. Just click on next, not here, and then this number comes in. Just give it a unique number like this. Then if you go below, click next, and then what would happen is after I fire this, it will give me all the information about where I need to add indexes, where I need to create materialized views, and all those information. Now if I click on show SQL, internally if you see they are using this particular package that is called dbms underscore advisory. See, it's creating a workload and naming a workload. We're changing some, adding some parameters into it, and this is done automatically by Oracle Enterprise Manager. So let's understand this important package procedure called dbms underscore advisor. Now dbms underscore advisor is used actually by all the different advisors. It's used by ADDM, is used by SQL tuning advisor, is used by access advisor, and also undo management. So let's see the contents of this result. Just click on view result here, and it will show you the output of this particular advisor, all the recommendations and everything. You see here, this is the view, and here there will be various recommendations given. Here it shows you the cost involved, how much is the space, how much are the SQL statements being used, what are the recommendations, if there are any, that will be shown in here. And no recommendation, any SQL statements, they show us here, and there were none of the SQL statements. So you got an idea of how to use the SQL Access Advisor here, and let's see and know more about dbms underscore advisor package. So these are the package procedure under dbms underscore advisor, like creating a task, setting a task parameter, executing a task, create task report to see the report, create task script to generate a script file. Let's fire dbms underscore sqt script to see an example of dbms advisor in use. dbms advisor can look into your SQL statement and give you various advices. You see here, this is an SQL statement here. We are using a package procedure called quick tune, which will accept a single SQL statement, and it will give you recommendations. So what we do is we fire this procedure now. Here you see dbms underscore sqt, that script is run, and then if you want to see the contents of it, we will fire the following script. You see, you just select dbms underscore advisor dot get task report and task script of